If you are working with Google Cloud Compute Engine, understanding VPC networking isn't optional, it's essential. In this video, we will delete the default network, create our own, launch VMs across regions, and test connectivity, all without skipping a beat. Hello folks, and welcome to my channel. Every new Google Cloud project starts with the default VPC network. Let's explore what that includes. First, go to VPC network. Click the default and then subnets. You will see subnets already created for each region. Each has its own IP range and gateway. Now let's look at the routes. In the left pane, click Routes, and under Effective Routes, select Default. Routes define how traffic flows. These are set up automatically, including path to the internet. Let's also check firewall rules. In the left pane again, click Firewall. The default network includes 4 firewall rules: ICMP, RDP, SSH, and internal traffic. Now that we see the default network, let's see what happens when we delete everything. First, let's delete firewall. Select all default rules and click Delete. In the meantime, we can go and delete the default network. So let's go back to VPC networks. You can also go there via the search bar. So VPC networks. And click on Delete VPC network. To confirm, we need to type the network name, which is default. Once deleted, your project has no VPC, no routes, no firewall rules, and no ability to create VMs. Let's go and try creating a new VM. We see this error, no networks available. That's expected. No VPC, no instance. So now that we deleted everything, let's rebuild it from scratch using an auto mode VPC. In order to do that, go to the VPC network and create a new VPC network. Let's name it My Network. Choose Automatic for the subnet creation mode. And for the firewalls, select All. And that's it. Auto mode creates subnet for each region. You have now replicated the default setup. Now that we have created our network or our VPC network again, let's spin up 2 VM instances in different regions. Now go again to VM, hit the Create Instance button, change the instance name to whatever you want, the meantime, let's create the second instance. Hit the create instance button again. Each VM is now connected to your new network. Now that both VMs are created, let's test internal and external connectivity between the VMs. Click on the SSH button on one of your VMs. So now I'm SSH to my new VM instance. Let's ping the other VM. Copy the internal IP of the other VM. As you can see, it will respond. Let's also ping the external IP. External IP also working. You can reach both thanks to the firewall rules we selected earlier. Now let's see what happens when we remove each firewall rule. Let's go back to the firewall rules and delete the ICMP rule. Now rerun ping test again for the external IP. External ping should fail, because now we are not letting the ICMP request reach to our server. Let's also remove the custom rule. Now, internal ping also should fail. And for the last one, let's remove SSH rule. Try to SSH again. Connection should fail as well, because we also removed the SSH rule. This confirms without explicit firewall rules, traffic is blocked. So now you have seen how to build a VPC network from scratch. In the next tutorial, I will cover storage in cloud. Hit subscribe button. Until next time, keep coding.